Oh wow, the Coca-Cola building. Morgan, what's your favorite soda product?
Coca-Cola.
Another day of Momocon and adventures around Atlanta. This time, we kind of just started off at the Coca-Cola Museum. We decided it was a good idea to hit the ground running, seeing some big old soda products. And gotta say, it was a bit of a vibe.
Howdy.
So starting off, you go and stand in like a super long queue to get in. Then you go into an area to get into another queue that ends up sending you to another place that sends you to, oh, and guess what? Another queue, which gets you set up to go see a like large theater where they like play video for like, I think it's like 5-10 minutes all about Coca-Cola. And it's really just like a giant ad. And it's like, huh. Alright, well this is some fan service. Anyway, then you get to go tour around the actual place, and you get to see the things like the vault, where there's a secret Coca-Cola recipe! And it's kind of neat. It's a lot more, I guess, informative than I thought it was going to be. It was more museum-esque than anything else, but it was honestly kind of neat, especially when we ended up going and seeing like the actual vault where the one true Coca-Cola recipe relies.
In the vault is the last hard That is a big question. In the vault is the last hard copy on paper written recipe of the Coca-Cola Zero.
Yeah, the one last. Sure. Anyway, so then you get to see a whole bunch of Coca-Cola products from kind of all over the ages, all over the time sphere, from pretty much, you know, lots of past eras like the 50s, the 40s. Then you get to see all the types of soda products. And honestly, the Coca-Cola Museum was pretty cool in of itself. There's a taste area and a smell area. We bypassed the smell one because COVID. And the taste one, honestly, ended up also being kind of cringe. The floor was sticky everywhere you went. And then it sends you into a queue to go into the gift shop. So, from there we decided it was time for some food, and we had been told about Bros BBQ. Apparently, like, one of the best places to get food, pretty much in Georgia when it comes to barbecue. And gotta say, was not disappointed. Like, oh my god, it was so good. Just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at this beautiful slow motion. So I had, like, this, like, this potato salad, and then, like, this little stewish thing, and then, like, some brisket, and just... Oh, I dream about this now. It kind of ruined me for barbecue. It's like, oh, I really wanted Fox Bros, and it's like, oh, can't do that. That's a few 100,000 miles away. Anyway, like Morgan's expression about like how she felt, honestly, so well summed up with this. Yeah, you know it's good barbecue, and Morgan does a little head dance. Anyway, it's a really cool place, especially if you're in Atlanta. Be sure to try it out. Oh, so good. From there, we went back and did the normal Momocon thing. We did some more cosplaying and all of that kind of stuff. And it was pretty fantastic. I can't really complain at all.
Oh, good. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
So some more cosplaying out of the way, and just hanging out and enjoying the last day. At this point, it was pretty short for us. It was only a few hours. Just walking around, checking any merch stands that we hadn't checked already, and just vibing with some really neat people that we met along the way. We decided it was time for food. One last family kind of meal with the friendos. We went to the Hard Rock Cafe, which I don't think I've ever been to previous to this. I might have. I don't know. But it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. It was a neat atmosphere. There was a whole bunch of really cool things like guitars and stuff on the wall from awesome musicians. I can't think of a single one off the top of my head. I know that Psycho said a whole bunch, but, you know, I'll remember. It's been a few weeks at this point. Oh, God. Anyway, I had, like, this beautiful milkshake that really was solid. And Morgan had, like, this salmon salad thing that was really fun. And I wanted to show, like, how weird I could do a shot. And I had a burger. All right, I was gonna finish strong with a boyega. Anyway, after that, it was time to go rest up at the hotel, just kind of relax because it was the last day. And then the next day, we did some meandering before our flight. Gave good old Atlanta one last real look around, and just kind of vibed it. It was so good. It was so good. We tried to go to Kwan's Deli, which we've been told was amazing, but they're closed because Memorial Day weekend and all that. But yeah, it was super neat. One last look at Olympic Park as we kind of like wandered through it, and that was about it. We got on our flight, we headed home, and we traveled back to us, which, gotta say, was great. So, there you have it. That was Atlanta. That was Momocon. It was good. It was good. I had a lot of fun. Honestly, like, the whole trip was great. We got to do so many touristy things, and then Momocon itself was actually exceptional. It was just such a big convention that, I gotta say, it was an absolute blast. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this series. This is a lot of fun to make. Definitely very different from what I normally do, and it took forever because I wanted to make sure that all 3 parts could come out within like a few days of each other. And stuff. And yeah, there was a lot of footage. I mean, a lot. Alright. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna do the thing. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.